I found this, another Sensei Wu. I found this Sensei Wu, and this is. Oh my god! Now he was focused on the real shot. I wonder where the game. Okay, let's read some comments, and then I found this. He turned into a hairband. Oh, the culprit possessed. Damn, he got the whole score. Hypno brain. His eyes became cold. Broke line. Sensei hairband. He turned into a. Sensei bro. Photoshop. I think he turned into the zombie. No, he turned into a. Do you Cola Brown? And this is what they got Coke. Speaking of Coke, yep, Coke. Yeah, oh my god. He's a gold god. Hero brain. Sensei hero brain. So that's yeah, only because it's live. You know what this reminds me of? Inflation. His eyes roll back and the ja. Gonna go glide. The coke cleaned his eyes. It doesn't make him see better than I don't know what. How to turn a herb tutorial. That's the problem. I think you'll never ever play Minecraft. He meant it as a joke. Like the drug. The drug. Yes, who and bro got the net. Oh my god. Everyone you know that. But with this mustache. Chinese hero. Chinese hero. Oh my god, this is too much. But wait, what does that mean in real life? He copied Minecraft. Hypno brain. I found the joke on Coco. Hey, go out. Oh my god. Again! I go. This true story of my no shoot hair, Brian. Soda Brian. Is he alive? It's in Minecraft cell. What does that mean? What? Angel Lugo. Who's Angel Lugo? Nope. I don't trust people with a band to PFF. My Django. Sensei Hero Brian. Hero Brian. Watch some Ninjago. Ninjago. Hero Brood. He's not a mob, it's a player. It's so a mystery. Oh my god. A creep. Oh man. I will not be. Sensei Hero Brian with a white straight mustache. With a white straight. Bang, bro, heckin' Hero Brian. Free from wish you. XDs. Hero Brian, woo. John, 3016, Roman, 10 John 3:33, Matthew 7:21. No shit. My eyes. Me have to drink milk from my girlfriend. No, you should pronounce that. Me after drinking my mom's milk. He was so excited. He was the hair brown the whole time. His final words, I gave up. I just want to be a hero. No shit. He's really revealing his blocky side. He do be looking at me that you reversed it, so he didn't get the whole squad. Why is it possible to become a Herobrine? Now he's a real Herobrine. No, it's his real bride. Herobrine shrine in real life. Oh my god, he gained so much wisdom. His eyes became instantly blinded by his own transcendence. I think I forgot how to breathe. I said, Goku. I'm not Chinese, but I can confirm this is 100% real. The real Ninjago Sensei Wu. As a Chinese guy, I say this is a real Ninjago Sensei Wu. No shit. My god looks like he go to recruit 6 kids to fight. Imagine if it was an orange Fanta. It would so far. No shit. Fun fact. Sensei Wu's really just like a look at that. Oh my god. I love how we would Mentos in the bottle before. Mega fun. Man got possessed by the overload. I felt the pain. Axel. Wait. This is what this is talking about. Sensei Wu's mirror. It's like a look. Villain stories are sad. It gets worse. This guy. Where is that? Went to the pond. When he forgot he got it. I can never laugh at this man. 12 seconds. Man saw all Mentos Coke users before him. Legendary mailman. Where is the legendary mailman? This is a viper sticking on a movie. Yeah. Bro, rip man. Sorry. I think I saw heaven. I think I did. Oh God, possessed by him. Sensei Wu and Herobrine at the same time. Connection. No one. My same thing when he sleeps.